Alright, what are we doing today?
We gonna do some cleanup. Clean up on aisle 3.
Clean up on aisle 3? What happened?
There's a little fire. Just doing a little cleanup and security.
Clean up and security? Alright.
Gotta secure the package.
Securing the package? Alright, so we're gonna head to Home Depot and get some bolts. Alright, so we're making a quick detour to get... What?
Hey Siri, call Shell.
What's going on?
We gotta cancel.
What are you canceling?
Canceling the neutering appointment?
Neutering appointment? Anyway, we're buying diapers for this homie's dog.
We got the dog for 3 weeks now. I dropped more than a K on him. Got some dog diapers and pads, and we got him some little treats so he can eat his pills. He won't eat them.
Alright, where's your next?
Home Depot.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's too late, I left already.
Okay.
I got him the reusable ones, okay?
So you have to get the pads though.
I know, I got both of them.
Okay. Did you get the wipes?
No.
Okay.
Because they have, what kind of wipes is it? Because it's, I found hygiene, like...
Baby wipes work. You can go to Walmart and just get baby wipes.
Okay, got it. Alright, bye.
Okay. Bye.
Home Depot. We just had to get our hands on some nuts, you know? Gotta fix that fence. Gotta pick up the 4 bolts. Now we just gotta go to fix the fence. Now we're going downtown. You know, getting those union bitches.
You ain't know you dealing with a monster. Let her go cause she a prima donna. Sweating me like she be in a sauna. Tryna bend her down in Tijuana. Stat of money taller than the plaza. Got a lot of drip.
I might move the car to the back. Depending on... What's that? Check out. I can take a piss, bro.
These doors already remind me of some Chinese place, bro.
Fuck, we gotta get out.
Why?
Alarm. Hey Siri, call Dad.
This place is low-key kinda creepy. What the fuck?
Look, it's so dark.
Jesus Christ.
That looks creepy. I'll show you. Alright, we gotta clean up. What are we doing with this? Hey, this is a little low right here. Dude, this place is fucking creepy. This is the creepiest part? You wanna go downstairs?
You wanna go downstairs?
Yo, nice!
That's sus!
I told you. So that's why they started the fire. So we're gonna have to clean this up. So I'm trying to look for some gloves. We gotta fix. Okay, let's fix the fence first, and we'll go from there. The basement down there. You can fix it first.
Oh my god.
All these fucking lame tryna act on a bitch. Tryna swim in money doing laps on that bitch. 100 cash on that bitch, stuck on tax all your shit. I ain't know I'm dealing with a monster. I can't fuck with no prima donna. Got me sweating like I'm in the sauna.
I did? What are you talking about? I got 14.
Put it on backwards. That was 14.
Exactly. I put it on the right
No,
place.
you didn't. You put it on backwards.
What are you talking about?
Alright, we gotta get the shovel now.
Alright.
Oh, trash bags.
I got it. Open the car.
Is it in the trunk or?
Yeah, I threw them in the trunk. Ah, trash bags. Yeah.
The cop's just eyeballing us. Grab the bag.
What cops?
The cop's across the street, like.
Alright, I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna clean that bitch up.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside the basement. Said it's 4 a.m. still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty won't fuck with me. I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Fuck that, when I get that paper, I'm gon' keep a strap. Fuck you, I can't let nobody go and take my stacks. Bitch, you suspect, you can go and sell my nutsack. I can't look back, cause you know I'd be above that. I like bitches, yeah, that like bitches, yeah. Put a spell on me.
Oh shit.
This, the guy, my dad's the guy. And you see this? That looks like the fountain. I think those are
like basement?
you want to go basement?
Hell yeah.
I don't know you want to go. I'll open the door. If you want to go, you can go.
Now you're coming with me. You're coming with me, dude. Oh god.
You first, lady. Go ahead.
Give me the light.
You want it?
How do I use it?
Flip it on. Do not press the trigger.
That's the light?
Do not press the trigger. After you, buddy. Yeah.
You're not gonna scare me that easily. There's a light.
Switch. Right there. Right there.
Where? Oh, there.
There you go.
What are those holes right there?
I don't know. It's to let the people breathe.
The people that are locked up downstairs?
The kids that we have in the basement. That's creepy as fuck.
That's a fucking crawl space.
Alright. There's more.
That's a big ass roach.
Oh yeah, we got, there was another. What is that?
These bitches got wings.
There's some flying cockroaches. Here you go, buddy.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, you did? No. Where?
Hold on, there's like other cockroaches down here because they renovated down here. Before it was even worse.
What is this place?
You can put a hole right here. Because It was the fire was right against this wall, so what they're afraid of is the fire would start back up again on this side. So they had to put a hole to let some fire out to make sure it's cool. Nice office.
This is a nice office space.
Alright, so it's off to my mom's restaurant.
Where that at?
Mom's place. It's by Panama Lane.
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things.
Yeah, I'm glad that shit. The dog. My sister said surgery is gonna be like 8 to 9K. I'm like, fuck, that's a lot of money.
Which is crazy. So we just finished dropping off food.
Time to go home. Oh, you want to go?
I don't know. You want to do anything else?
Oh, I want to go.
I don't know. I don't got shit to buy.
Places to go. Areas to go. All the good places downtown.
Yeah, all the good places are downtown. I think we're good. Peace, guys.
You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry.